Have you ever spent hours scrolling TikTok, looking through Facebook ads, browsing AliExpress, trying to find that one winning product that everyone talks about? And after all that time, you're still not sure if the product will actually sell. It's one of the biggest frustrations that people run into when starting a Shopify store. Product research used to feel like a guessing game. You'd spend hours digging through marketplaces and ads, hoping to spot something before everyone else, and how you can use it to find winning products faster instead of spending hours manually searching. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter Shopify stores and grow your e-commerce business. Because the truth is, AI isn't just helping people write product descriptions anymore. It's helping them discover products that actually sell. So let's break down how it works, why product research is so important. Before we talk about AI, let's just take a step back for a second. Because if you ask most successful Shopify sellers what matters most in e-commerce, it's not the website design, it's not the logo, and it's definitely not the theme they use. It's the product. If you pick the wrong product, no amount of marketing will save it. But if you pick the right product, everything becomes easier. Your ads convert better, your store grows faster, and your chances of making real money increase dramatically. That's why product research is so important. The goal is simple. Find products that people already want to buy, not products that you hope people will want. The old way of finding winning products. So let's talk about how people used to do product research, because honestly, it wasn't very efficient. Most people relied on a few methods: scrolling TikTok to see viral products, browsing Facebook ad library, checking Amazon bestsellers, or searching AliExpress, hoping to spot something interesting. And while these methods can work, they take a lot of time, sometimes hours, sometimes days. You might analyze dozens of products before finding one worth testing. And even then, you're still guessing. You don't really know if the product will work. You're just hoping the data that you found points in the right direction. That's where AI product research tools started to change the game. How AI changed product research. Instead of manually searching through thousands of products, AI tools analyze huge amounts of data automatically. They scan things like social media trends, ad campaigns, product sales data, competitor stores, search demand. By analyzing all that information, AI can highlight products that are gaining popularity before most people notice them. Some tools even track millions of ads and product listings to identify which products are performing well right now. Others analyze data from online stores, social media platforms, and marketplaces to determine if a product is trending or becoming saturated. Instead of spending hours searching manually, you can narrow down potential products in minutes. Now, AI doesn't magically guarantee success. You still have to test products, but it dramatically speeds up the discovery process. The 4 signals AI uses to identify winning products. AI tools don't just randomly pick products. They look for patterns. There are usually 4 main signals they analyze. Understanding these signals will help you make better product decisions. Signal 1, trend growth. First up is trend growth. This basically answers one question: is interest in the product increasing? Some AI tools track search demand across the internet. They scan blogs, news sites, and social media to identify topics and products that are starting to gain attention. If a product's popularity is rising quickly, then that's a good sign, because growing demand often leads to more sales opportunities. Signal 2, advertising activity. Next is advertising activity. Think about this for a second. If a company is spending a lot of money on ads for a product, why would they do that? Probably because the product is selling. Many AI tools track thousands or even millions of ads running across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They look for patterns like ads running for weeks, high engagement, multiple stores selling the same product. These are often signals that a product is working. Signal 3, competition level. Now here's where things get interesting. Just because a product is popular doesn't mean it's a good opportunity. If thousands of stores are already selling it, the market may be saturated. AI tools analyze competition by looking at how many stores sell the product, pricing differences, store quality, product reviews. This helps you understand whether there's still room to enter the market. Signal 4, profit margin potential. Finally, AI tools evaluate profit potential. They estimate things like supplier cost, shipping cost, retail pricing, and advertising expenses. A product might look great at first, but if the margins are too small, it might not be worth selling. Good product research helps you identify products with healthy margins, because margins give you room to scale ads and grow your store. The AI product research workflow. So how do you actually use AI AI to find products. Let's walk through a simple workflow. This is a process that many Shopify sellers are using today. Step 1, discover trends. The first step is identifying emerging trends. Now, some tools scan the internet to detect products that are gaining popularity. They analyze conversations, search data, and social media mentions. The goal here is to find products before they become saturated. Because once a product becomes obvious, thousands of stores jump in. That's when the competition explodes. Step 2, analyze ads. Next, you want to validate demand. This is where ad research comes in. Many AI tools allow you to search massive ad libraries and filter results based on things like engagement and ad spend. If a product has ads running for weeks or months, that's often a strong signal that the product is profitable, because advertisers usually stop spending money on ads that don't convert. The third step is competitor analysis. AI tools can now track Shopify stores and monitor their products. Some platforms even estimate store revenue and product performance. This gives you insight into what products successful stores are selling, how they price their products, how they market them. This step helps you understand how the product is positioned in the market. Step 4, validate the opportunity. Finally, you want to confirm the opportunity. Before launching a product, ask a few questions. Is demand growing? Is competition manageable? Are margins healthy? If the answers look good, that product might be worth testing. And remember, testing is key. Even with great research, the market decides what works. Popular AI product research tools. All right, now let's talk about some tools that Shopify sellers use. There are quite a few out there now. Some focus on trends, others focus on ads, and some combine everything. For example, platforms like Mania track trending ads and products to help identify items that are performing well in e-commerce stores. Tools like Dropship.io analyze data from online stores and social media to identify trending products and competitor activity. There are also trend tracking platforms that scan the internet to identify emerging product categories before they explode in popularity. Each tool approaches product research slightly differently. Some focus on data, others focus on curated product lists. But the goal is always the same: find products worth testing faster. Common mistakes that people make with AI product research. Now let's talk about something important. AI tools are helpful, but they're not magic. A lot of people make mistakes when using them. One of the biggest mistakes is blindly trusting AI recommendations. Just because a tool suggests a product doesn't mean it'll work for your store. Another mistake is chasing products that are already saturated. If a product is everywhere on TikTok and Instagram, you might already be late. And finally, some people ignore margins. Even if a product sells well, low profit margins can make scaling difficult. AI should help guide your decisions, but you still need to think like a business owner. A simple strategy to find winning products faster. So if you want a simple strategy, here's one approach. First, use AI tools to discover trends. Second, analyze ads to confirm demand. Third, study competitors to understand the market. And fourth, test your products quickly. The faster you test, the faster you learn what works. That's really the secret. Successful Shopify sellers aren't perfect at picking products. They're just faster at testing them. So finding winning products used to take hours of manual research, scrolling, searching, guessing. Now AI tools can analyze huge amounts of data and highlight potential opportunities much faster. They can track trends, monitor ads, analyze competitors, and surface products worth investigating. But just remember, AI is just a tool. It can point you in the right direction, but success still comes down to testing, learning, and improving your store over time. Because at the end of the day, the real winners in e-commerce aren't the people who find one perfect product. They're the people who build systems that help them discover the next winning product faster. And AI is quickly becoming one of the best tools for doing exactly that. So if you want to get started with any of the apps or tools or resources that we talked about in today's video, you'll find all the links down in the description below. Some of these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. This really helps support the channel and allows us to keep making simple, step-by-step Shopify videos just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another breakdown. Here on Shopify Mastery, we focus on helping you build, optimize, and grow your Shopify store, covering everything from store setup and apps to marketing strategies and automation. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you here in the next one.